So peeps, Earl with UGREEN and we're back with another tech content. This time, I was challenged by my colleague to find cool stuff under 500 pesos. So, I accepted the challenge and let's see where our 500 pesos can go and what cool tech things we can buy with this amount. Editor, cue in that intro. To start our list of cool tech things under 500 pesos, we have the GOOJODOQ high-speed fan. This one really got me. It's very helpful and I find it quite essential. This desk fan is portable and lightweight. You can bring it anywhere at any time. It's not a typical portable fan that you can actually carry around and fix your bag. It's rechargeable and actually lasts you the entire day with an average level of energy speed. But when you use it at its high level, I can say that it can go around 6 to 7 hours of continuous use. This GOOJODOQ high-speed fan was so used with me, especially when the time we had a blackout in our village. Thankfully, it was fully charged and I'm seeing this one to be overly used when summer comes. If you're interested in this one, we actually got it around for 499 pesos last month. Up to our next one, meet the UGREEN Smart Tag. Another cool tech thing that you can get under 500 pesos. This one is a must-have, especially when you're the kind of person who's always on the go. This is a good alternative to an Apple AirTag. It's essential to have this cool tech thing when you're tracking your valuables. As for its compatibility, it's working with iOS devices. You can just simply go to the Find My app and just pair it. You can rename it per tag if you have a bundle. This is water resistant and durable. To be honest with you, I do have my Apple AirTag and it's quite pricier. I just have one with me. But if I were to get the 4 pieces, it will cost me around 6,490 pesos. But with UGREEN Smart Tag, you can have it in 1 or 2 or 4 pieces. You can purchase it for a starting price of 460 pesos. Now, the third one on our list is the vacuum suction mobile holder. This phone holder is actually for those people who love making content and doing their fit checks all around. If you're tired carrying hefty tripods or selfie sticks all day, you're already outdated. Current creators now carry these kinds of phone holders which are handy and easy. It fits in the bag. This one works by sticking it in on glossy surfaces. This particular vacuum suction mobile holder goes for 312 pesos on Shopee. You might get it for a much better deal with discount, vouchers, or promos. And now, the TP-Link Tapo Smart Plug is what my colleague JM loves most. He finds this one cool and very smart to have. You simply plug it into a wall outlet, then connect an appliance like a lamp, electric fan, coffee maker, or TV. You can also operate the device anytime using the Tapo app on your phone when you're away from home. Key features include remote control, wherein one can turn appliances on and off using their smartphone, provided they are connected to the internet. If you forgot to turn off the lights before leaving, you can fix that in seconds through the app. If you're planning to get the TP-Link Tapo Smart Plug, it is priced at 423 pesos on Shopee. And lastly, we have the WG FocusBar Pomodoro Timer. The WG FocusBar Pomodoro Timer is a simple desk tool that helps you stay focused while studying or working. It actually uses the Pomodoro technique, where you work for a short time, usually 25 minutes, then take a short break. The timer clearly shows how much time you have left, so you don't get distracted checking your phone or clock, and I find this very cool. Whenever I'm working, I'm always setting a time for work so I can keep myself so laser focused. The focus bar helps you build better study and work habits by encouraging you to work in focus session instead of cramming for hours. The WG FocusBar Pomodoro Timer is priced at 447 pesos on Shopee. So before we wrap things up, I can surely say that a 500 pesos isn't enough to buy us food for a celebration. But this can buy us some cool tech things that are very useful in our daily lives and can be gifted to someone else. All the featured cool tech products here will be linked below in the description box, so check them out. Now, if you find this video helpful and fun, please like this video and share it on your socials. Comment down below the cool tech things you bought for under 500 pesos. Feel free to suggest any tech content you would like to see here in our channel. Don't forget to follow us on our socials and visit UGREEN.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this is Earl and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!